Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device model and operating system. This matters because icons and settings differ. Once verified, log into the account that owns the app. Make sure permissions and storage access are granted. Next, restart the device to clear transient issues, then open the launcher or home settings immediately. Now, long press the home screen to access widgets, shortcuts, and layout options. Follow these first actionable steps to place new items rather than guessing where they belong. Once done with initial placement, you focus on the detailed execution. Pick widget or shortcut depending on whether you need live content or just an app link. Then, adjust grid size or layout to create the necessary free cells. This prevents automatic stacking. You should drag the icons slowly to the target slot. If it snaps elsewhere, open the app drawer and re-add using the launcher's add menu. Make sure to check folder behavior and lock placement if your launcher supports it. To finish, save or lock the home layout so your changes persist. Many launchers have a save or lock option for stability. Test the new icons by tapping and using long press menus to confirm functionality and make final adjustments to spacing or labels. If the ad still fails, clear the launcher cache, force stop the launcher, or reinstall it. This often resolves corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, create a new user profile or reset home settings to isolate system versus.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.